day everyone. This video contains on how to install the FDAS or fire detection and alarm system. So first, what is FDAS? FDAS stands for Fire Detection and Alarm System. It is a system that detects fire and alert occupants within a centrally monitored and controlled area. So let's go! So this is the source. It is an AC voltage. We use a terminal block to avoid damage on the fire alarm control panel. This is the zone 2. As you can see, there's already a resistor. And lastly, this is the sounder. This is sounder 2. We use the zone 2 and sounder 2 because zone 1 and sounder 1 has an issue or trouble. This is the smoke detector. This is the positive and the negative. So let's start in sensors. As you can see, there are knotted wires. The knotted wires means the positive and the wires that are not knotted means the negative. The first thing to do is to connect the positive of zone 2 to the positive of the smoke detector. Next, connect the negative of zone 2 to the negative of smoke detector. Prepare to parallel the smoke detector to the heat detector. Connect the positive of smoke detector to positive of heat detector. This is the heat detector. The heat detector and smoke detector has the same connections, have the positive and the negative. Like what I said earlier, connect the positive of smoke detector to positive of heat detector. So this is the positive of heat detector. And then, the negative of the smoke detector connected to the negative of the heat detector. So this is the negative of the heat detector. Now, we will go to the connections of heat detector to manual pull switch. The positive of heat detector connected to positive of manual pull switch. So this is the positive of manual pull switch. Next, the negative of heat detector connected to the negative of manual pull switch. So this is the negative of manual pull switch. This is what looks like when the sensors and manual pull switch are done connected. As you can see, the back of the bell have two wires with different colors. The red stands for positive and the black stands for negative. Now, let's go to the connections of sounder 2. We're just only using the alarm bell 24 volts DC. Connect the positive of sounder to the positive of the bell. Next, connect the negative of the sounder to the negative of the bell. Lastly, connect the source to the fire alarm control panel. Trivia time! Did you know that in electricity, you can be electrocuted if you don't touch it? And that's all for this video. I hope you gained some lessons on how to install the fire detection alarm system. And stay tuned for another video on how to install the CCTV. Bye!
"お前はもう死んでいる。